Hi Ultimate Gardeners, welcome back to the Ultimate Gardening channel. I'm Emmanuel Arce, the Ultimate Gardener. My goal is to help you guys grow in the garden industry and help you guys become an Ultimate Gardener. So in today's exciting sprouting video, I'm going to be planting up a flower that I've never seen before and I want to try out this year. The flower comes from Burpee Gardening. Huge shout out to them. They are working with us on this video, so huge shout out to them. All their media links are down below for you guys to check out. Highly recommend them. Well-known company, amazing products. Go support them and go buy their products because I would highly recommend them. But today we'll be planting the giant white moonflower that they sent me. You guys, this is such an amazing flower and I can't wait to see how it blooms and I can't wait to see how it performs. And today we're gonna start it from a seed, and of course I'm gonna be giving you guys updates throughout its life, basically from seed all the way to blooming time and all that types of stuff, and when we're gonna plant it and stuff like that. So if you want to know how to plant the moonflower seed, so please, here is the packet of seeds that they sent me. When it arrived, there was a puncture wound right here to the packet, but that's definitely okay. There's no spill of seeds. But look at this information. They gave you a lot of information right here. If you want to know how to do it, here it is. So here is the moonflower. Really love it. So we're going to be planting them in these trays because once they grow bigger, I'm planning to put them in 3-gallon sized pots. So let me go ahead and add soil to this. So guys, it's time to plant. I have the seed starting tray right here filled with soil, and now it's time to plant. So it's recommended to soak these seeds, but I prefer not soaking them because soaking them makes them grow or germinate faster, but I prefer going a bit slower and doing it the original way. So we're gonna go ahead and plant them. So the one seed, yes, even though we have 6 here, I have 3 other trays. So we're gonna do ahead and do these. These seeds are huge, you guys. So now it's time to plant. So I'm gonna get a little tiny stick right here and just make a little tiny hole right there. Drop it down, fill it back up, lightly pat the sides, and that's basically it. Seed starting is not my favorite thing to do, but I think it's more convenient when you want a lot of plants but you don't have a lot of money in the world to buy all the plants you want. So I think it's more convenient to start them from seed, even though I prefer already plants. But we're gonna try it this year. Hopefully we do successfully. But seed starting is one of my favorite things to do. Even though I don't prefer it, it's one of my favorite things to do because I love seeing plants grow from this little tiny seed to this humongous amazing plant. So there it is. We have one more to plant up, like so, and we're done with our very first tray. Huge recommendation is to water these very well, and for me, like here in Florida, we have huge water droplets and a lot of rain, so I'm gonna keep these under a shaded area and mist them with a water bottle or a water sprayer, which could help them germinate quick faster. This takes 7 to 14 days, so basically 1 to 2 weeks to germinate, and I'm excited because I've never seen moonflower and I just love the flower. So let me go ahead and plant up the other 2 trays. And so guys, all 3 trays of moonflowers has been planted. As you can see right here, they're all planted. Really like how, you know, the structure of these containers are, because they'll be pretty in here for a pretty good time because the reservoirs are pretty good size. So of course I'm gonna have to water them, and when starting with seeds, you're gonna have to water very well, but don't give them a lot of water because overwatering can lead to seed rot, and you do not want that for your seeds. So especially with thick seeds like this, they could be easily rotted if given too much water, so you want to be careful with that. I would recommend using a spray bottle to mist these and give them water, and then within 2 weeks you should see big plants already, or within 7 weeks you should see good enough plant sizes. So yeah, that's basically it. So let me go ahead and wrap up this video for you guys.